Hey there, fellow Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to Programming World. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today we're diving into something that's essential for every Python programmer. Modules and pip. Let's get started. Alright, first things first. What exactly is a Python module? Well, simply put, a module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. You can think of it as a toolbox full of functions, classes, and variables that you can use in your programs. For example, Python has built-in modules like math, which includes mathematical functions, or OS, which allows us to interact with the operating system. To use them in your script, you simply import them. Modules are awesome because they help us organize our code and avoid writing the same thing over and over. Instead of reinventing the wheel, you can just import a module that already does the heavy lifting for you. Think of them as building blocks that help us build complex programs easily. So whether you're working with numbers, data, web scraping, or even machine learning, there's a module for almost everything. Now let's talk about pip. So you've got your modules, but where do you get more of them, especially if they're not part of the standard Python library? This is where pip comes in. Pip is the Python package installer. It's a command line tool that lets you download and install modules, or what we call packages, from the Python package index, or PyPI. For instance, if you want to install a module called requests, a popular library for making HTTP requests, you just open your terminal or command prompt and run this command pip install requests. And that's it. Pip will automatically download and install the module for you. Once you've installed a package using pip, you can start using it just like any other module. For example, let's use requests to fetch some data from a website. Import requests. Response = requests.get, https://api.github.com. Print response.json. Hash prints the JSON data from GitHub API. This snippet fetches data from the GitHub API and prints it in JSON format. All we needed was to install requests using pip. And if you ever want to see which modules are installed on your system, you can run pip list. Or if you want to uninstall a module, you can do so with pip uninstall requests. Now here's a quick tip. When working on multiple projects, it's a good idea to use virtual environments. This way, each project can have its own set of dependencies without interfering with others. With pip, it's super easy to install packages inside a virtual environment. First, you create the environment, then activate it, and finally, you can install any packages you need. Python, mvenv-mynv hash, creates a virtual environment. Source mynv/bin/activate hash activates the environment. Pip install requests hash installs packages within the environment, and when you're done, you can deactivate the environment by simply typing deactivate. So, to sum it up, modules make your life easier by allowing you to reuse code, and pip lets you install those awesome modules from the Python community. By using both, you can make your coding projects much more efficient. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Have questions about modules or pip? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Until next time, happy